Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the like button. And do share with friends. Goodbye to financial struggles and hello to prosperity. By August, you'll have wealth within your grasp and enjoy financial abundance for the rest of the year. I'm here to share ancient secrets that can improve your finances and attract unexpected wealth into your life. First, let's talk about the importance of your bed. While you sleep, your brain is incredibly active, and your bed becomes a hub of energy. The pyramids, for instance, generate a powerful energy field, which is why pharaohs were buried there. Some people even place pyramid-like objects on their beds or construct their homes to resemble pyramids. This highlights the significance of our surroundings. The practices I'll discuss are grounded in this idea. These habits can transform your feelings, especially at night, and bring new opportunities into your life during the day if you place them under your bed. But don't just take my word for it, try it for yourself. Many wise individuals like Jesus of Nazareth have said that everyone can achieve greatness. Although I'm not Jesus, my life has changed profoundly, teaching me that we can all make things happen. What I'm about to discuss is rooted in mentalism, a concept I learned in my teens. It suggests that our feelings are powerful enough to alter the real world. Our thoughts can manifest whether they're about health, money, or love. Historical figures like Hermes Trismegistus believed that our inner world affects our outer world, and that the two are interconnected. To manifest our desires, we need to focus on what we want and have faith in ourselves. This realization taught me that there is always a way forward, even in tough times. You might recall moments when everything seemed to fall into place for you. You'll feel this way when you practice what I'm about to share. It's simple yet can make a significant difference in your life. Be open to trying new things or seeking more wealth. This practice can help you discover the magic in life. Remember, life is full of delightful surprises. Jesus said that the most important thing is to be happy inside and everything else will follow. Now let's talk about the unique ritual I'm about to show you. Take it easy and enjoy the process without expecting too much. Let's play and see what unfolds as we practice this unique ritual together. Don't just believe what I say, try it yourself. Approach it with interest and openness. If you're ready to attract blessings, let me know in the comments by saying, I am ready to attract my blessings. First, gather the necessary items for this ritual: a clean glass jar. There's a certain force in glass jars, 3 garlic cloves, bay leaves, each with its own power to strengthen our practice, and a coin from your country, not too expensive. Carefully select the coin as we'll need it for our special move. Next, we'll need either a cinnamon stick or a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. The 6th item is rice, a symbol of abundance. Start by infusing the jar with positive energy. Think about what wealth means to you. For me, it's about peace, calm, and a stress-free life. Imagine your problems disappearing, leaving you happy. Being rich also means freedom, the freedom to choose what you want to do without worrying about money, like going on holiday, enjoying a nice meal, or trying something new. Take your time with this step and truly feel rich for 5 to 10 minutes. After that, add 8 bay leaves to the jar. The number 8 symbolizes infinity, representing eternal safety and abundance. As you add the leaves, visualize abundance flowing into your life. Then, add 3 garlic cloves, symbols of protection, ensuring that nothing hinders the flow of abundance. Lastly, add the cinnamon and the bill or coin. Ensure it's real money and not old, unusable currency. Be genuine and honest throughout the process. Each element adds to the ritual's energy. You can add more cinnamon for an even stronger sense of abundance, as it evokes feelings of plenty. Look at the bill or coin and say, money comes to me from everywhere and in every way. Repeat, I receive money in many ways and places. Money flows to me effortlessly. Think of the jar as a magnet drawing wealth and good fortune to you. Place it under your bed, imagining it attracting money like a magnet attracts metal. Remember, your emotions communicate with the world. Your heart's signals align with the universe's, drawing things to you. Imagine yourself as a generator of wealth, with one right under your bed. Enjoy this feeling as you talk about money. For an added touch, spray your favorite perfume on the bill, making it smell like you. Always carry it with you, smelling it and affirming, it's easy for me to attract money. Money flows to me effortlessly. Picture this energy being infused into the bill, carrying it with you. Charge it overnight, repeating, I am good at attracting money. Instead of worrying about money, envision having plenty. When you smell the bill, think of wealth. Every time you smell it, the power of money will come to you. Now, as we embark on this transformative journey together, imagine the possibilities that await you. Picture a life where financial stress is a distant memory, replaced by peace and abundance. This isn't just a dream, it's within your reach, starting with this powerful ritual. Gather your materials and feel the anticipation. This isn't just about collecting items, it's about creating a tangible connection to prosperity. Each ingredient and step is a declaration to the universe that you're ready to welcome wealth into your life. Begin in a quiet, comfortable space. Light a candle to set the mood and signify the beginning of something special. Hold the glass jar, close your eyes, and take deep breaths, allowing your mind to settle and your heart to open. Visualize yourself in a state of complete abundance. What does it feel like? How do you spend your days? What joys does this new life bring? Open your eyes and start the ritual. As you add each ingredient, speak your intentions aloud. I add these bay leaves to invite endless protection and abundance into my life. Feel the energy of the leaves merging with yours. I add these cloves of garlic to keep this abundance flowing and protected from harm. Imagine a shield of light surrounding you. Next, add the cinnamon, saying, I add the cinnamon to amplify the wealth and good fortune in my life. See your path lined with opportunities and blessings. Finally, place the coin or bill in the jar, declaring, this coin represents the constant flow of money into my life from all directions and in all forms. Visualize rivers of gold streaming toward you, filling your jar and overflowing into your world. Seal the jar tightly, holding it close to your heart. Feel its warmth and energy, a beacon of your new life of prosperity. Keep it under your bed, allowing its energy to work while you sleep. Remember, this is just the beginning. The true magic lies in your belief and the energy you put into this practice. Maintain positive thoughts and an open heart, and watch as abundance flows into your life effortlessly. As you place the jar under your bed, say, I am a magnet for money and prosperity. I attract wealth effortlessly and abundantly each night as you sleep. This jar will silently draw financial blessings into your life. But the ritual doesn't end here. To fully embrace this new energy, shift your mindset and daily habits. Start your day with gratitude, acknowledging the abundance already present in your life. Keep a journal by your bedside and note 3 things you're grateful for each morning. This practice tunes your mind to the frequency of abundance, making it easier to attract more throughout your day. Be mindful of your thoughts and words. Replace negative or limiting beliefs about money with positive affirmations. Instead of saying, I can't afford that, try, I am choosing to invest my money wisely. Notice how these small shifts can create a big difference in your perception of wealth. Engage in activities that make you feel prosperous. Dress confidently and surround yourself with uplifting, inspiring people. Enjoy simple pleasures, whether it's a walk in nature, a delicious meal, or a moment of quiet reflection. These acts of self-love will enhance your vibration and attract more abundance. Be patient and trust the process. Changes may be subtle at first, but over time you'll notice significant improvements in your finances and well-being. Keep your heart open to the unexpected ways the universe delivers blessings. Remember, this journey is about more than just attracting money, it's about creating a fulfilling life. Share your wealth, knowledge, and happiness freely, knowing that the more you give, the more you receive. If doubt creeps in, return to your ritual. Hold the jar, revisit your intentions, and reaffirm your belief in your power to manifest. Trust that the universe is always working in your favor, even when you can't see it. Stay focused, positive, and move forward with confidence and grace. This is the beginning of a new chapter filled with limitless possibilities and boundless prosperity. Together, we're creating a ripple effect of abundance. Celebrate each success, no matter how small, and keep your eyes on the horizon where even greater treasures await. Thank you for joining this journey. Your commitment to personal growth and financial freedom is inspiring. The life you desire lies within you. Here's to endless wealth, joy, and fulfillment. Let's make it happen, one step at a time. Continue to explore and adapt these practices to fit your unique needs. Your journey to abundance is as individual as you are. Consider integrating other practices that resonate with you, like meditation, visualization, and energy healing. Create a dedicated space at home where you can retreat, recharge, and focus on your intentions. Fill it with items that inspire you, such as crystals, vision boards, and uplifting quotes. Spend time each day visualizing your desired outcomes, feeling the emotions of this reality, and anchoring your intentions. Use affirmations to reprogram your subconscious mind. Write positive statements about your financial goals and repeat them daily. For example, I am worthy. Thoughts of financial success, money flows to me effortlessly, and I am open to receiving unlimited wealth. By consistently affirming these beliefs, you'll shift your mindset and attract corresponding experiences. Surround yourself with positive influences. Join communities, attend workshops, and seek mentors who align with your goals. Their support and insights can provide valuable guidance on your path to abundance. Celebrate your progress and reward yourself for achieving milestones. This positive reinforcement keeps you motivated and signals to the universe that you're ready for more. Keep your heart open and your mind focused on the abundance that is already yours. The universe is a limitless source of wealth, and by aligning with its flow, you can create a life of joy, fulfillment, and prosperity. Your dedication to this practice will bring about profound changes in your financial reality and overall well-being. Embrace each moment with gratitude and trust that you're on the path to your highest potential. Together, let's continue to manifest abundance, support one another, and make this world a more prosperous place for all. Thank you for embarking on this journey of transformation and abundance. Your courage and commitment to growth are truly inspiring. Here's to a future filled with endless blessings, joy, and financial freedom.